Brakes.
Brakes.
Stop. Brakes. Brakes.
Me the funny brakes.
So why the backside you no put it on the brakes? What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So guys, today I will be giving my daughter her first driving lesson. This is going to be like the basics. I'm not going to take her on a main road or anything. So it's just the basics today. And this is part 1. Part 2 will be on her channel. What's the name of your channel?
Princess Shade. The link will be in the description.
Yes, the link will be down in the description. So guys, please remember, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Alright, so I am going to what I'm going to do now?
Switch places.
No, I'm not going to switch places right now. Alright, what am I going to do? I'm going down a hill first because I need to go and buy something down the hill, and I don't want to give her the vehicle down that steep hill on her first driving lesson. So I am going to go down the road first, come back up the steep hill and give her the vehicle on the flat. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So I will be switching places with her now. The car is in park and brake is up. Switching places. So guys, first thing first, you need to adjust your seat where you feel comfortable. Look, your foot can touch the pedals and you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
You need to put on your seat belt now. You check your mirrors, see if you're seeing behind you properly. Check your two mirror, check your rear view mirror. Can you see behind you?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you know about driving so far? You have never been around a steering before, but what do you know about driving a vehicle? You don't know anything? Okay, so you have the handbrakes right here. So you need to put your handbrakes down.
When you have to drive off?
Yes, before you drive off, you need to press it and bring it down. Do that.
It press. That's something I know.
And then you're going to put your foot on the brakes.
Side brake?
No, that is you can test it. You can just press on it and you will know. Yes, that is the gas. Stop now.
Okay.
Then you need to press down on your brakes. Right down. Yes, right down.
You go right down.
And then you put your vehicle, keep your foot down on the brakes.
Oh yeah.
And then you put the car in drive. You have it is in park right here. Then you have reverse at the second, neutral, then drive. So you want to go forward, so you put the vehicle in drive. Yes, you're in drive now. Keep your foot on the brakes. Yes. Ease your foot off the brakes. Look in front of you, not down there. Look in front. Don't be nervous. Your foot, take your foot off the brakes. Ease it up off the brakes. So we are on the flat. So the vehicle won't move unless you put your foot on the gas. So take your foot off the brake. Ease your foot right off the brakes. Ease your foot up. Ease it off the brakes. Don't be nervous. No man, you have to turn.
Oh, I have to turn it?
Yes, you have to use.
See, you never tell me that.
You
You never
need-
turn it.
No, Jesus. You have to use the lock to
Yeah.
ease your foot off. I will know to turn it for you if it's not turning the right way. Turn to this direction a little bit. Yes, go ahead. Yes.
Oi, oi, oi.
No, it's fine. You're doing fine. You're doing pretty good for your first lesson. Remember that that is in the way, that ladder. So you have to go a little bit over there, then come back. Go. Press gas now. Little bit on the gas. A little bit. Yes, a little bit. Continue. Just press it a little bit. Go. Go. Nice. Then you turn your lock a little bit to which direction you want to go.
We must have the panel aware so over the natural.
Yes, you're supposed to be on the left side. Take time. Don't press your gas so hard. No, no, no. Take time. Go, go. Take your time. Go over to that side where we are going to stop. Right up there. We are going to stop up here. Go up. Go up a little. Press the gas a little bit.
Over turn.
No, he not tap.
Oi.
Take time, go up a little bit more. Take time, go up a little bit more. And you stop after that, you press on the brakes now. Go up a little bit more and then press on the brakes. Brakes now. Jesus.
Sure.
Oh my God. This girl is about to kill me with the brakes. So you are going to put the car in park, right up in park. Pull your handbrake up. Yes, that is it. Can ease up off of the brakes now. So she only took one drive from down on the flat up. This is not a very steep hill. I didn't want her to drive on a steep hill, so she come up the road, make a stop. She did well. As far as I can say, she did well. We are not done yet. We are going to go a little bit further up the road.
So if we go reverse and make it key.
You don't need to reverse. You're going to turn this direction and go up. We're not going. We're going to turn back when we go up there.
Oh, I'm gonna turn on this one.
You cannot I don't think I am going to teach you to reverse on your first lesson. So I will reverse when we reach up there. So alright, so we can just go ahead again. Alright, put your foot on the, let me see if you remember what to do. Guys, I don't have a car tripod. I am using a regular ring light tripod here in the vehicle, and it is giving me hell. It is shaking, it is turning, it is doing all kind of things. Just forgive me for that. I'm so sorry about that. Alright, let me see if you remember what to do. Your foot on the brakes, right?
Yeah.
Drive and brakes.
You can't press that button.
It is down. Alright.
So as me take it off, I put it on the gas kite, I run back.
No, you know, run back. Turn.
Ease up my foot.
Yeah, you wait a little bit. I'm turning the lock a little for you. I wonder if you can pass there so by yourself. I don't think you can pass.
Let me try.
Guys, I'm going to show you something. I don't think she can pass there by herself right now on her first lesson. That is it. There is a mall heap in the road there and blocks there, and then the road is narrow there, but I don't think she can pass right there. Don't think so. Alright guys, me not gonna bring her past the mall here. Now I figure come out, switch places again, and I reverse the car right here and we go back down the road and come back up again. We're not going to pass this. And I am not teaching her reverse on this first lesson, so I have to switch places with her again, reverse, so we can go back down the road. Alright, so we switch places. Time for her to go again. What you're supposed to do now?
Put my foot on the brakes.
Did you put your seatbelt on?
Seatbelt first. Foot on the brake. The car in drive. Then push the handbrake down. I can't do it.
Leo is coming up. Take your time. Ease up off the brakes a little. You don't need to use the gas pedal because we are going down the hill. You just ease up off your brakes a little and the car will move, and you have to use the steering.
Alright.
Ease up a little bit. Go ahead. No, ease up too much. Remember, don't press down back on it. The car will stop in a take time. Go back down a little bit on the brakes, little bit. Yes. Go take your little time and ease up. Don't go too fast. It brakes a little. Not too
Not too much.
just shadow the brakes and go to that side now.
I have to press the gas.
Go a little bit on the gas because we are on the flat. Little bit on the gas, a little bit on the gas. Go little bit. All right, I'm going to make the lock right here. Don't put your foot on the brakes, you know, brakes, stop, brakes.
With the
Brakes.
funny brakes.
So why the back side you not put it on the brakes? Eh? Press it hard, you're too weak. Ease up off the brakes and let it run. Don't turn your steering too much over there. Mind you run over people them yard. You have to learn to keep your vehicle steady on the road. Remember, say that is in the way, so you have to turn that way. Can't lick up in eye people them ladder. Press a little bit on your gas, a little bit. Alright. You don't swing. You don't swing don't swing your steering too much. You just take your time. If you see that it's going,
Can't go fast.
no, you're mad. you just take your little time and turn it. Don't swing it because it will just swing to that side and swing to this side. You just take your time and give it a turn. You're going right back up there.
Yeah, go the same place already.
Yes, right there where the car is parked, where we're supposed to park. Take time.
So we press the brake when we reach up and so.
When we stop, when you want to stop it, when we reach where we want to go, you press go up a little bit more, then brakes. Jesus Christ.
Oh shit. Me keep on a figure so we can't press down funny so.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
You can't jam on the brakes like that. Alright, this is the first lesson. Lesson is over, guys. Park and brakes up, then you can take your foot off of the brakes. Oh my God, my heart is beating because this girl is jamming on the brakes and giving me a heart attack. How was your first driving lesson so far? How was it?
It was good. It was good.
It was good. You wasn't nervous?
Yeah, I was nervous at the first time. First part.
Only the first part? So why you're jamming down on the brakes if you're not nervous?
Because right here, so just when if you stop, it made me nervous. And if you stop,
Really? When you're supposed to stop? Oh
I
my
mean, like
gosh.
foot to switch over.
You just take your foot off that and take time and put it down on the whichever pedals you want it on. You're afraid to switch your foot from gas to brake
Like
and
if me take my foot off of the gas, I feel like it gonna run back. Feel like it gonna run back for me to press back from the gas.
oh, that's why you hurry up and come off of that.
Yeah,
Okay.
and jam it down.
I understand. No.
It's not gonna run back and me take it off.
We
of
are
the
not
gas.
on a steep hill, so it won't run back. That is a different lesson that you need to learn. That. Yes, guys. So this was her first driving lesson, automatic, not standard. Automatic driving lesson. Again, remember, hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give me a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up or give her a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and let us know how she did that. I know she wants to know how you guys think, what you guys think, yeah. Okay, that was it. Peace out. What do you want to say? You want to say something?
Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel.
Yes, at Princess Shay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.